Hello and welcome back, food lovers. Today we're making white flour soda bread. This recipe is popular in Ireland because it's simple to prepare and easy to make. In fact, you can have a steaming hot loaf in front of you in under an hour, and there's nothing better than the taste of freshly baked bread. Soda bread uses baking soda and buttermilk, and the chemical reaction that these two ingredients forms causes the bread to rise, so it's perfect for those of you that are yeast intolerant. Now let's begin with a list of ingredients. For this recipe you're going to need 500 milliliters of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 pound of plain white flour. To make the dough, begin by sifting the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. So that's the flour, sugar, baking soda and salt. Then add enough buttermilk to make a soft dough. You will have to work quickly as the buttermilk and soda react as soon as they come into contact. Knead the dough lightly, too much handling will toughen it, whilst too little means it won't rise properly. Form a loaf about the thickness of an apple and place it on a floured baking tray. Optionally, cut a cross in the top with a floured knife. Then bake in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. The bread will be ready after 35 to 45 minutes and has turned a golden brown color. One way of checking if the bread is ready is to tap the bottom of the loaf with your fingers. If it has a hollow sound when tapped, then it's ready. If you're not going to eat the bread straight away, then it should be kept wrapped up in a clean tea towel to stop the crust from hardening. But really, the best way to enjoy the bread is to eat it straight away whilst it's still warm with lashings of butter. Thanks for watching, guys. Give this recipe a go and see you next time.